Welcome sa YouTube channel ko, Jerry Mendoza. Walking tour tayo ngayon. I hope you will come with me and explore this beautiful Las Vegas Strip. You see, there is the Louis Vuitton building in here. When we walk, it's 7 in the evening, so it's like very busy. There's a lot of people walking down the street. So we are walking on the on the elevated stair. So that's why I'm taking all this video, so you can see this beautiful light here in Las Vegas Strip. Everything is here. I'll show you all the way. So those people who didn't been to Las Vegas recently, as you can see, this is the Las Vegas Strip in the night. There's a lot of lights, a lot of advertising, billboard. As you can see this. There's a Bellagio hotel where we stay for a night. So this is the street in Las Vegas. So come with me and enjoy walking with me. So just enjoy the view while we're walking, and I'll show you all the nice places here in Las Vegas. It's a beautiful place. So just enjoy the scenery in the night. So see. There's a lot of billboard. There's a lot of lights. This is the park at MGM. Yes, the Rodeo. Yeah. So just I'm walking slowly just to take the video. So as you can see, it's very beautiful here in the night. Look at that. Thank you for coming with me, and there's a lot of people, maybe thousand people every night in here. It's a weekend, so today is October 17th, Sunday. So as you can see, there's a lot of people walking on the street, but. What we do is we are in a walkaway upstairs, so in elevated stair. So it's like a walkaway when you want to go to the other side of the street. You have to cross the street. You have to use the upper walkway, so you cannot. Disturb the traffic, so nobody is walking on the street because the car is very busy there. So come with me and enjoy the scenery here in Las Vegas. As you can see, this is the middle of the street, and really enjoy walking in here.
Porque si se hace pan, no.
Now let's go and walk inside the shopping mall. The shopping mall is connected with the hotel MGM. So come with me and we'll walk inside the mall and we'll see what they have in here. There's a lot of store in here. There's a lot of people walking. So for the meantime, we just making a sightseeing of the store. And as you can see, there's a lot of beautiful decoration also in here. The restaurant, shopping, store, food store, food outlet, So just put Las Vegas Strip doors. We just walk there and we can go to the other side while walking inside the mall. This is the upper side of the MGM Grand, which is they make it as a business here, like a mall. There's a restaurant, Panda, and there's a Subway, you can eat. We're trying to go to the parking area where we park our car so we can go home. So, this is the shortcut that you can do. You just walk inside the mall, so you can see there's a lot of things to buy in here if you want to explore. And there's a lot of things to do. So there's you can go to the other side of the building or hotel using this walkway in here. So let's see, and we will see what they have in here inside the mall. Thank you for walking with me here, so you can see all these things in here in Las Vegas. There's a lot of people because today is Sunday, 7 p.m. So it's good to walk. There's a lot of people walking. There's a lot of tourists coming here. So enjoy walking with me, and we'll show you more. Just enjoy the scenery, the shopping center, the Planet Hollywood here on my side. You can just walk also there and see. But unfortunately, we didn't go inside the Planet Hotel. We just go to Bellagio Hotel and all the shopping center there. So we enjoy walking on the street because of the lot of people. Sorry for the tape, and thank you for watching. I hope you just stay more another 3 to 4 5 minutes to finish this video.
I don't mind if they watch, don't care. I'm gonna love it when your love ain't there. Maybe that ass is just unfair. Black hair, and if you find it, you're up right there.
Let's go and walk to the other side of the street, by using this walkway through elevated walkway. So as you can see, we're walking down here, upstairs here. There's a lot of people now here down here in the dancing water. It's beautiful. So look at that beautiful scenery. So enjoy watching. We really enjoy walking in here. And, Las Vegas Strip in here. It's very beautiful scenery. yan.
Like before, it's like, you know, the Battle of 1812, you know, it's like...
Kaya ikaw naman ang masakit ang kinikilig ko.
Okay na yun.
Hindi, gusto ko pa yun. Tatlo upload ko.
Oh, thanks for watching and for coming with me. This is a beautiful place. As you can see, there's a Paris Hotel in there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you very much.